Hello and welcome back to our channel Foodies Magnets, and today we're going to make a super delicious, healthy and yummy dip, which is guacamole. You can even call it avocado dip. So let's see what all ingredients we require for our avocado dip or guacamole. So the ingredient that we require for a guacamole is 1 large size avocado. It should be nice and ripe, and once you press it, it should leave an impression, as you can see, because avocados are green in color. So the color that we require is this blackish color, and when you press all around, it should leave an impression. That's how you know that your avocado is ready to be used. 1 chopped tomato, some chopped cilantro or coriander, 1 juice of lemon, and 1 large size onion chopped. Apart from these ingredients, we will require some chili flakes, some jeera powder or cumin, some table salt, and if you require you can add about 2 chopped green chilies as well, but that is not completely necessary. It is optional. So let's cut and dive into making our guacamole. Now let's just scoop up the pulp of the avocado into a bowl. So now the pulp is out, and let's just mash it up well. You can mash it with a spoon or a fork. It's totally up to you. It's totally fine. You just need to mash it, or you can even mash it with a masher, but I prefer using the back of a spoon for mashing it well and evenly. So our avocados is mashed here. Now we need to add our ingredients to it. So let's start with tomatoes. We've added our tomatoes, followed by our onions, red onions, and coriander or cilantro. Now we are just going to give it a nice mix. We have mixed our tomatoes, onions and cilantro into the avocado mash, and now we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. If you like it more tangy, you can use 2, but 1 goes perfectly well. Followed by about half teaspoon of chili flakes, and salt as per taste. Now we're going to add jeera powder or cumin powder to it, a generous amount. So now we have added our salt, our jeera powder, and we've added our lemon juice, our chili flakes, and all the veggies in this. We're just going to give it a nice mix, and we'll transfer it into another container and keep it in the fridge for about 10-15 minutes, and then we can easily use it anytime. And always store the avocado dip in a glass container, airtight glass container. We can have this dip with nachos, with any tacos, or we can even add this dip on a toast and have it like an open sandwich. It tastes amazing. It is super healthy, and eating avocado has many healthy benefits. So you should always have avocados. This is healthy fat, and everyone should try avocado once. This is a super simple and easy recipe, and it is loved by many, and I wish that you guys also try this recipe at home, and do let us know how you liked this recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe and super healthy, so do try it at home for your loved ones. So we plated our guacamole or avocado dip. You can serve them with nachos, or you can have it as it is also. I love having it with nachos like a dip, or I love to have avocado on toast, so you can try that as well. But this is super delicious and easy recipe. It's going to be loved by all at home, so do try it. It's very healthy, so definitely go for this. and it's with just few simple ingredients you can make such an amazing dish. So why keep waiting? Go ahead, get yourself an avocado and just make this amazing dip. And do let us know how you liked this video and this recipe. Till then, have a great day. Best wishes to everyone, and stay safe and stay at home. Abide by all the rules and regulations. Take care, have an amazing day, and keep on tuning to Foodies Magnets. Do subscribe and like our channel, and give us a thumbs up to the video if you like the video. Thank you so much for joining us today. So go ahead and try this super amazing, delicious and healthy recipe at your homes, and do tell us how you like the recipe. Enjoy!